I feel like we're on Animal Planet. I feel like we're on Animal Planet. And we're just in the wild. He's looking for something to eat.
The silverback gecko. You know, you've got the silver lining on the back of it.
There's a
Wait, that's a lion. That's a lion. Right there. The lion's right there. He's sleeping right there. Right there. Right there. Right there, yeah. Yeah, he's sleeping.
Unless it's a dead one, but
No,
it's definitely
no, he's there.
I can't believe
Have you
it.
seen it?
Yeah, he's right there. He's right there.
NLP?
It's like we all saw him at the same time. Like, what is that?
This is why
It
we
looked
can't
like a
see
rock.
them when you're
Yes.
moving.
I'm surprised that jackal is willing to be so close. Maybe it's not seeing.
Kuja upate kichwa hapa. Ololo.
We found the lion out in the wild. We found the lion out in the wild, y'all. We spotted the lion
Kuja hapa ololo hapa
at the
ndani.
same time.
Utapita kwa Malamu kuje kama unaenda.
Is he asleep?
Yeah. Yeah.
Kama unateremka na ololo. Kushoto kwangu. Willy.
Wait.
Willy. Willy uko wapi? Niko hapa ololo. Willy si ukuje.
Yeah, he's waking up. He's waking up. He just lifted the head.
Yeah.
He's waking up now, y'all. He's waking up.
He just lifted the head.
Hapa hivi amelala hapa karibu na barabara. Wapi hapo? Hapa ololo kujeni.
And now it's starting to rain.